Hello and welcome to my channel. Tonight I'm making the pendulum. I got the board and the garden hanger from Dollar Tree. Gonna measure and put a dot right about 2.5 inches from the edge. And that's where we're gonna drill a hole. Then I'm going to paint it black. I'm using the shot glass to draw on my circles. Those are going to be the phases of the moon. Painting those white. Using the Dollar Tree stickers to put the words on. Next, I give it a spray down with the clear coat and cut the garden hanger with the grinder. I put the fix-all glue from Dollar Tree in the hole. You gotta kind of screw that in, but there you go. There's your pendulum. Thank you for watching.